Dear students, today we will start the next group of insert ribbon known as comments and header and footer. So today we are actually trying to practice two things. One is called comments and the other group is known as header and footer, and that also includes the page numbers. So we will try to add comments to our document, we will try to add header information to our document, footer information to our document, and we will also learn that how you can add page numbers to your document at different positions. So let's start the practical. So I have opened the same document on which we were practicing, and here you can see the word comment. So you can add anything to your document as a comment wherever you want, and this is very useful when you are sharing your document with others. So for example, you are going to share this document with your professor and you want to tell them that why you have added this thing over here. So you can select this thing and you can click on it, the comment, and here you can add because this was the only relevant information I could find. So this means that whenever anyone will read this thing, so he or she is having this comment on your document. And similarly, your professor or your colleague can add comments on this document anywhere they want. So the next thing is header, footer, and page number. So from header we mean that anything that appears on the top of your page. So for example, you might have seen different books which have header, and that header contains the chapter number, or for example their running title, and in the footer they normally have page numbers, or for example their trademark, their copyright information, such kind of things, and then you can also add the page numbers. So let's try to add first the headers. So if you go into header information, so there are different types of headers available. So this type of header I have added, and here you can say this is ITC. That's it. For example, let's see what happens. So this has been added to the first page, and this has been added to the next page, and this has been added to the next page. So in all of the pages, this header information has been added as soon as I click on the header information. And then if I want to add the footer, so for example, if I want such kind of footer which contains the page number or some other information, like we can say virtual university, and you can say Department of Computer Science at virtual university. So these words will appear in all of the footer, and let's do it a little bit in a way that it is shown properly on all of the pages. So you can see that this information has been shown on all of the pages as a footer. And then the next thing is in insert we have page numbers. So if you want to add page numbers to your document, you can select this option. So you can see that we have at the moment 27 page document. So you click on it, and then it is asking that whether you want to put your page number at top, or for example if I want to say that I need the page number bottom. So if I say okay, something like this, So you can see that this page number has been added to all of the pages, right? So we have header, and in footer we have added the page numbers, and this will continue in all of the pages until the end. And of course, if you want to add any other thing as a footer, you can view. So pages, and then your footer, whatever you want to add additionally in this document. So we have learned the comments, how they can be added, and header and footer, and the page number. So let's conclude this module. Today we have learned that how we can add comments to our document, how we can add header and footer information in our document, and what are different possibilities to add the page numbers to Microsoft Word document at bottom, top, or in other locations of the document.